TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 1 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursday. 3 hours left to go in the trading day, and we have the markets charging higher right now. Markets near session highs. S&P's up 25 points at 3,060. We're approaching 100 points from where we were at 11 a.m. yesterday. Remarkable. The low yesterday, 29.65. S&P's right now trading at 3,060. NASDAQ 100, we go from 96.04 early Tuesday to 91.72 early Wednesday, and we're back up at 95.48. Even from this morning, we reached a low of 93.20, so you're talking about 230 points in the NASDAQ 100. The Dow, 25,678. We had highs earlier in the day, pre-market 25,794. Crude oil catching a bit as well with the market, $33.98 in crude. Gold contract up $6 at $17.32, and as this market chugs higher, we take a look at the volatility index. The volatility index, 27 handle on that volatility index. Start things off. Let's jump over to the charts. We'll start it off with the Dow. And you see the sell-off in the Dow this morning. The Dow, a little bit of a reversal going on. The Dow had been the leader. We sell off in the morning. We've clawed back now about 200 points in that index. You see the difference, though. There's your Dow. We're not even back to where we were at 9 a.m. There's your S&P 500 making highs above any area we were at pre-market. NASDAQ 100 as well at 95.48. The crude oil market has just been marching higher. We back it up to the highs we had earlier in the week. You made it to a high Tuesday. Yes, that's Tuesday of about $34.65. We're right at $34 on the heels of EIA at 11 a.m. The euro charging higher as well, from early this morning at 110 to 110.81, in the natural gas market at 184.90. In terms of headlines out there, weekly jobless claims this morning, 2.1 million filed jobless claims. Total unemployed, though, shrinking. Continuing claims, because this is an important part of it this morning, plunged nearly 4 million to just over 21 million. So 21 million continuing claims, probably a clear representation of jobless levels. So that number declining first time since the pandemic began. And in the battle of social media, Trump to sign executive order aimed at cracking down on Facebook and Twitter, vows, quote unquote, fairness. Where did he vow that? He vowed that on Twitter, of course. TWTR. Twitter shares down about 2.5% so far, and Facebook shares so far today now up. Check out that pop. Stay tuned, folks. Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, all this afternoon. We'll be right back.